All right, we are on White Road. Looking in, this is the pole shed for the property, and then this is the driveway that goes down to the house. So the pole shed is up on a ridge here. There is power in here, but it's just a gravel floor. They have a little boardwalk to the other garage. They do have some living quarters above the main garage. They've got fireplace out here, electric fireplace, and a bar. Out the window, you do have a view down to the water and the main house. Coming down the stairs, you've got the main garage. It's a 2-car garage, and it is extra deep. Some more storage back here. So here's the driveway coming down. The pole shed's up there, main garage here, and then house and the boathouse down below. It's a nice lot in this nice back bay area here. There is a neighbor on this side of you. Coming in the front door, I've got a nice little screened-in porch with a closet for shoes. Windows look brand new. New appliances. They do have a small dishwasher there. Full bath on this main level. Lots of little cubbies built in. This goes downstairs. The living room area. Beautiful view from here. There's 2 bedrooms upstairs and 1 downstairs. Downstairs in the basement, closet space. There's the 3rd bedroom. Another living room area with fireplace. It does walk out over here. Nice big window looking out. And another full bath downstairs. And then it extends down. There's laundry and more storage down here. This is the view looking back at the property. Just a nice gradual slope down to the water. Seating area. Got the boathouse. And this is their dock there.